Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss Animal Kingdom Top 50 Multiple Choice Questions. 1. The water current in a sponge body facilitates which of the following functions? A. Nutrition, circulation, and excretion. B. Respiration and reproduction. C. Feeding, waste elimination, and excretion. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 2. Which of the following is a defining feature of cnidarians? A. Bilateral symmetry. B. Tissue-level organization and radial symmetry. C. Presence of a coelom. D. Exclusively intracellular digestion. Answer: B. Tissue-level organization and radial symmetry. 3. Which of the following is a unique characteristic of the phylum Ctenophora, comb jellies? A. Presence of nematocysts for defense. B. Exclusive presence of cnidocytes. C. 8 rows of ciliated comb plates for locomotion. D. A true coelom and metameric segmentation. Answer: C. 8 rows of ciliated comb plates for locomotion. 4. Which phylum includes the organisms Ascaris, pinworm, and hookworm? A. Platyhelminthes. B. Annelida. C. Aschelminthes. D. Arthropoda. Answer: C. Aschelminthes. 5. Which animal belongs to the phylum Annelida? A. Ascaris, roundworm. B. Nereus. C. Leeches. D. Both B and C. Answer: D. Both B and C. 6. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of arthropods? A. A closed circulatory system. B. A segmented body with jointed appendages. C. A single, non-segmented exoskeleton. D. Lacking a distinct head or thorax. Answer: B. A segmented body with jointed appendages. 7. Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom because it includes A. All vertebrates and invertebrates. B. Primarily marine organisms with a complete digestive system. C. Over 2/3 of all named species on Earth, including insects. D. All organisms with pseudocoelons. Answer: C. Over 2/3 of all named species on Earth, including insects. 8. The body of an arthropod is covered by a hardened exoskeleton made of A. Cellulose. B. Chitin. C. Protein. D. Bone. Answer: B. Chitin. 9. Which of these examples is an arthropod? A. Earthworm. B. Cockroach, Periplanta. C. Leech. D. Nereus. Answer: B. Cockroach, Periplanta. 10. The characteristic feature of phylum Mollusca, a ribbon-like rasping organ for feeding found in most of them is the A. Mantle. B. Radula. C. Visceral hump. D. Mantle cavity. Answer: B. Radula. 11. Most mollusks are A. Herbivorous. B. Carnivorous. C. Filter feeders. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 12. Which of the following is a characteristic of mollusca? A. Bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, and coelomate. B. Segmented body with a calcareous shell. C. Gills in the mantle cavity. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 13. Which of these animals is not a mollusk? A. Octopus. B. Snail. C. Oyster. D. Starfish. Answer: D. Starfish. 14. Which phylum has an endoskeleton of calcareous ossicles, giving them their spiny body name? A. Annelida. B. Echinodermata. C. Mollusca. D. Arthropoda. Answer: B. Echinodermata. 15. Echinoderms possess a unique hydraulic system responsible for locomotion, feeding, and respiration. What is this system called? A. Circulatory system. B. Nervous system. C. Water vascular system. D. Excretory system. Answer: C. Water vascular system. 16. What type of symmetry is characteristic of adult echinoderms? A. Bilateral symmetry. B. Radial symmetry. C. Asymmetry. D. Spherical symmetry. Answer: B. Radial symmetry. 17. Which of the following is a key distinguishing feature of hemichordata? A. Presence of a true notochord throughout life. B. Bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, and coelomate body plan. C. A well-developed vertebral column. D. Single-celled organization. Answer. B. Bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, and coelomate body plan. 18. The characteristic structure in the collar region of hemichordates, which is similar to the notochord, is called the A. Urochord. B. Cephalochord. C. Stomochord. D. Mesosome. Answer. C. Stomochord. 19. The body of hemichordates is divided into three distinct regions. What are these regions? A. Head, thorax, abdomen. B. Proboscis, collar, trunk. C. Head, tail, fins. D. Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Answer. B. Proboscis, collar, trunk. 20. Hemichordates are exclusively found in which habitat? A. Freshwater. B. Terrestrial. C. Marine. D. Both freshwater and marine. Answer. C. Marine. 21. Which of the following is an example of a hemichordate? A. Amphioxus. B. Tunicates. C. Balanoglossus. D. Acidia. Answer. C. Balanoglossus. 22. Which of the following features is not present in all chordates at some stage of their life? A. Notochord. B. Dorsal hollow nerve cord. C. Ventral, solid nerve cord. D. Post-anal tail. Answer. C. Ventral, solid nerve cord. 23. Which characteristic is unique to the phylum Chordata? A. Presence of a coelom. B. Bilateral symmetry. C. Notochord. D. Triploblastic body organization. Answer. C. Notochord. 24. In which chordate subphylum is the notochord present throughout life? A. Vertebrata. B. Urochordata. C. Cephalochordata. D. Both A and C. Answer. C. Cephalochordata. 25. Which of the following is a characteristic of cyclostomes, jawless fishes? A. Jaws are present. B. Paired fins are present. C. Scales are present on the body. D. They are jawless and have a sucker-like mouth. Answer. D. They are jawless and have a sucker-like mouth. 26. Which of the following sets of animals correctly comprises members of class Cyclostomata? A. Amphioxus and Balanoglossus. B. Lampreys and hagfishes. C. Herdmania and Myxine. D. Mackerels and lampreys. Answer. B. Lampreys and hagfishes. 27. Which of the following is a unique distinguishing feature of the class Chondrichthyes? A. Bony skeleton. B. Presence of operculum covering gills. C. Cartilaginous skeleton. D. Absence of paired fins. Answer. C. Cartilaginous skeleton. 28. What is the function of claspers in male sharks? A. To filter food from water. B. To help with respiration. C. For sexual reproduction. D. To control buoyancy. Answer. C. For sexual reproduction. 29. Which of the following is a defining characteristic of the class Osteichthyes? A. Cartilaginous skeleton. B. Presence of an operculum covering the gills. C. Presence of placoid scales. D. Ventral mouth position. Answer. B. Presence of an operculum covering the gills. 30. In which group of animals are the scales typically cycloid or ctenoid? A. Chondrichthyes. B. Cyclostomes. C. Osteichthyes. D. Reptiles. Answer. C. Osteichthyes. 31. Which of the following is not a characteristic of bony fishes? A. Streamlined body. B. 4 pairs of gills with an operculum. C. Marine and freshwater habitat. D. Sucking mouth. Answer. D. Sucking mouth. 32. Which of the following is an example of a bony fish, Osteichthyes? A. Seahorse. B. Shark. C. Dogfish. D. Sea urchin. Answer. A. Seahorse. 33. Which of the following is a key characteristic of amphibians, allowing them to live in both water and on land? A. Scales on their skin. B. A. 4-chambered heart. C. Gills and lungs for respiration. D. Ability to maintain a constant body temperature. Answer. C. Gills and lungs for respiration. 34. A common example of a class amphibia member, often found. in India is A. Rana esculenta, B. Rana tigrina, C. Ambystoma, D. Hyla. Answer B. Rana tigrina. 35. Which structure is found in the amphibian tadpole but is lost in the adult frog? A. Lungs, B. Skin glands, C. Gills, D. Mesonephric kidney. Answer C. Gills. 36. The skin of an amphibian is characteristically A. Covered in scales and dry, B. Smooth, moist, and without scales, C. Rough and covered with fur, D. Provided with feathers. Answer B. Smooth, moist, and without scales. 37. Which of the following is a key characteristic of reptiles? A. Bony endoskeleton, B. Poikilodermic, cold-blooded, and amniotic, C. Gills for respiration, D. Furry skin with glands. Answer B. Poikilodermic, cold-blooded, and amniotic. 38. Limbs in class Reptilia are typically A. Absent in all members, B. Modified into fins, C. Present and adapted for terrestrial life, e.g., walking, burrowing, D. Absent in snakes and limbless lizards, but present in others. Answer C. Present and adapted for terrestrial life. 39. Which of the following is a poisonous lizard? A. Chameleon, B. Monitor lizard, C. Heloderma, Gila monster, D. Draco. Answer C. Heloderma, Gila monster. 40. The hard-shelled eggs laid by most reptiles are called A. Anamniotic eggs, B. Amniotic eggs, C. Fertilized eggs, D. Viviparous eggs. Answer B. Amniotic eggs. 41. Members of the class Reptilia typically lay eggs that are A. Oviparous, lay eggs, B. Viviparous, give birth to live young, C. Parthenogenetic, D. Asexual. Answer A. Oviparous, lay eggs. 42. Which of these is a limbless reptile? A. Chameleons, B. Angus, C. Hemodactylus, D. Phrynosoma. Answer B. Angus. 43. Which is the defining characteristic of class Aves? A. Live birth, B. Presence of feathers, C. Scales on their entire body, D. A single-chambered heart. Answer B. Presence of feathers. 44. Birds are endothermic, meaning they are A. Cold-blooded, B. Warm-blooded, C. Able to change their body temperature with the environment, D. Ectothermic. Answer B. Warm-blooded. 45. Which of the following is a unique feature found in birds? A. Gills for respiration, B. A large, flexible external ear, C. Toothless jaws with a beak, D. A long, segmented tail. Answer C. Toothless jaws with a beak. 46. Birds lay eggs that are covered with A soft, leathery shell, B. A hard, calcified shell, C. A thin, protective membrane, D. No external covering. Answer B. A hard, calcified shell. 47. The respiration in birds involves A. Only lungs, B. Lungs and air sacs, C. Lungs and a diaphragm, D. Gills and a swim bladder. Answer B. Lungs and air sacs. 48. What is the function of the gizzard in birds? A. To produce digestive enzymes, B. To store food, C. To grind food, D. To absorb water from food. Answer C. To grind food. 49. Which among the following is the correct combination of aquatic mammals? A. Seals, dolphins, sharks, B. Dolphins, seals, trigon, C. Whales, dolphins, seals, D. Trigon, whales, seals. Answer C. Whales, dolphins, seals. 50. Which of the following is not a mammalian character? A. Presence of milk-producing glands, B. Skin is unique in possessing hair, C. Presence of external ears called pinnae, D. One pair of limbs. Answer D. One pair of limbs. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.